Tshivenda.
Ndi masiari. O vuwa hani? O vuwa hani? Well, if you don't know how to greet in Tshivenda, please go to the first video and learn how to greet in Tshivenda. Well, today's lesson, we are going to learn maḓuvha a vhege. Maḓuvha a vhege, which is days of the week. Days of the week. Now say the days of the week in Tshivenda after me. Let's go. Musumbuluwo. Musumbuluwo, which is Monday. Musumbuluwo. Musumbuluwo. Correct. Tuesday is Lavuvili. 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 Let's say it again. Lavuvili. Well done. Lavuraru. Lavuraru, which is Wednesday. Lavuraru. Well done. Now let's move to Thursday. Thursday is Lavuna. 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 Lavuna is Thursday. Great job. Now Friday is Lavutanu. 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 Lavutanu is Friday. Great job. Saturday is Mugivela. 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 Let's say it one more time. Mugivela. Well done. And the last one, which is Sunday, is Sondaha. 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 There you go. You got it right. So that's it for today's lesson. Thank you so much for joining us. And if you've got any comments, any questions, please do go on our Instagram account and let us know what you would like to learn on this channel and any comments that you might have for us. And until next time, nisale zwavhuḓi. Nisale zwavhuḓi. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.